Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to correct some very common grammar mistakes that we use every day without even realizing it. Stay with me till the end because I will give you a quick quiz to test your learning. Let's begin. First mistake, I was completed my work. This is incorrect because was completed is passive verb. It means the work was done by someone else, not by you. But here you are talking about your own action. The correct sentence is I have completed my work. This is the present perfect tense, which shows that the action is finished and it is connected to the present moment. In our real life, when I finish writing a report, I say I have completed the report. When someone else finishes it, I say the report was completed by him. Second mistake, I am agree. This is wrong because agree is a state, not an action. We do not use am with agree. So the correct sentence is I agree. In real life, when your friend says let's play outside, you should reply yes, I agree, not say I am agree. Third mistake, he don't like coffee. This is wrong because with he, she, it, we always use doesn't. So the correct sentence is he doesn't like coffee. In real life, for example, you can say she doesn't eat chocolate. It doesn't work properly. Fourth mistake, I am going to home. We never use to before home. The correct sentence is I am going home. In real life example, I can say after school I am going home, not I am going to home. So we never use to before home. Just say I am going home. Fifth mistake, I have saw this movie. After have we must always use third form of verb. So it should be I have seen this movie. For this case, real life example, yesterday I have seen this movie. It's wrong. But correct is I have seen this movie many times. So after have always use the third form of the verb. So seen is correct, not saw. Let's quickly revise all 5 mistakes and their corrections. I was completed. Wrong. I have completed my work. Right. I am agree. Wrong. I agree. Right. He don't like coffee. Wrong. He doesn't like coffee. Right. I am going to home. Wrong. I am going home. Right. I have saw this movie. Wrong. I have seen this movie. Right. Make sure you remember them. It is quiz time. Which is correct? Question number 1. Option A. She don't like ice cream. Option B. She doesn't like ice cream. Question number 2. Option A. I have ate my lunch. Option B. I have eaten my lunch. Question number 3. Option A. Does she like pizza? Option B. Does she like pizza? Question number 4. Option A. I didn't went there. Option B. I didn't go there. Question number 5. Option A. I can too speak English. Option B. I can speak English. Question number 6. Option A. He is married with her. Option B. He is married to her. Question number 7. Option A. I am having 2 brothers. Option B. I have 2 brothers. Question number 8. Option A. The scenery are beautiful. B. The scenery is beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch the next video to fix your knowledge in grammar and fun learning. See you soon.